Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AT&T email account on iPhone and iPad. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by locating the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the Settings icon to open the app. Scroll down until you find the Mail option and tap on it. Next, select Accounts from the Mail settings. Tap on Add Account to begin the process. You will see a list of email providers. Choose Yahoo as AT&T email accounts are powered by Yahoo. Enter your AT&T email address in the provided field. After that, tap on Next located in the upper right corner. The device will prompt you to enter your password. Type in the password associated with your AT&T email account and tap Next. If prompted, review permissions and tap on Allow to give access to your account. Your device will then verify the settings. Once verified, you can choose to enable syncing for mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. Make your selections and then tap Save in the top right corner. You have successfully added your AT&T email account to your iPhone or iPad. You can return to the Mail app to check your inbox and start using your email. If you encounter any issues during the setup, double-check your email address and password. For additional help, you can visit the AT&T support website or contact customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.